In the heart of Latin America, a quiet revolution is unfolding, not with tanks or protests, but with robotic limbs, AI-driven eyes, and silent code. This is Robotcom's world, a Chinese tech giant pushing the limits of automation. And its latest conquest? Colombia. Welcome to a future where cities run on algorithms and machines are the new workforce. Robotcom is one of China's biggest robotics companies, known for building industrial machines that never sleep. Now, they've set their sights on Latin America, rolling out operations in over 10 countries. And Colombia stands at the center of their vision. But Robotcom isn't just selling machines, it's rewriting the rules of the economy, partnering with governments, re-engineering logistics, and laying the blueprint for fully automated cities. For local industries, it's a dream. Faster production, fewer errors, and global competitiveness. But for workers, it's the beginning of an uncertain future. Job displacement looms, and digital surveillance becomes part of daily life. And deeper questions arise. Is this progress, or a new form of tech-driven colonization? This is classic cyberpunk territory. Megacorporations that rival governments, cities reshaped by private tech empires, and ordinary citizens left behind. Robotcom's rise is not just about machines, it's about control, influence, data. And Colombia may be the testing ground for a larger transformation, where political power takes a back seat to corporate ambition. Automation can bring progress, better healthcare, safer transit, smarter systems. But when that future is written by a handful of global tech giants, who holds them accountable? In a world where metal never tires and algorithms decide what matters, the human touch may become obsolete. Colombia is just the beginning. The future is knocking, and it's coded in Chinese, wrapped in steel, and powered by AI. If you want to keep exploring how today's world is becoming tomorrow's cyberpunk reality, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay connected to the future with us. Your support helps us keep this digital resistance alive.